Ayan, natutulog. Doon kami naghahabol ng assessments. Swimwear, oversized shirt. Oversized shirt, please. Thank you. Medium youth size. Actually, my clothes size is S. And then my top is S, my bottom is medium. But since I'm tall, my bottom sometimes become large because I'm long. Comfy oversized shirt. Sarap pantulog. Yes, pantulog. Can Cole do egyo? I'm too shy. Yung tatawa na napigil kasi magagalit librarian. Real! Real. XL shirt for you, Coley. Yes, please! I like oversized shirt. This is oversized. Oversized. Tap. Yes, tap hearts, guys. Today, supposedly, is 100K. Because I'm gonna do a real live. And then, if hopefully my internet is okay na, I'm gonna transfer to do some game streaming because I need to finish that time and I need to go as live as much as I can today. 48 group, I'm now 48. Ate, what does lang malakas in Tagalog? Lang malakas? Strong. It's an expression. It's an expression. Every day when I leave, nakalimutan ko na yung sasabihin ko dapat. Wala yung ginagawa ko. Oh my goodness. Wait. Better. Lang malakas. This translation is only strong. Sure. But it's a slang, right? Hello. Yes, malakas is Tagalog, but it's like a slang. Like, kunyari, si Ko lang malakas or si blah lang malakas. Diba ganun siya? Kapon ka, champ for the hearties. Thank you for the you're awesome. What you play later, we will play Mobile Legends with a very special gamer guest. Nag-eat na ikaw? Yes. Nag-eat na ako. Wait. I need water. Water? My rank is just low. It's just epic. It's just epic. Pupunta ba si Jamie? Hindi si Jamie. Ay, actually, you know what? Ano sa may phone ko? Wait. Tawagin natin. Epic so high. Cole, no, it's not. It's not high. It's low compared to my friends. Ayaw. Bagal ng internet. Malaysia. Yeah, mahirap magpa-legend. How's your day, Paul? It was okay. I hope we can come to Malaysia soon. Hello? Asan ka na? On the way ka na? Halika na. Good morning. Good morning. Nakastream ako ngayon. Halika na. Halika na. Hindi, wala. Hindi ka nalanig. Oh, sige. Wag na lang. If hindi mo kaya. Kasi hindi ka kumakain. Pasaway. Lo, tulog ka nga ni. Good morning. This is Jamie. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi. Ano? Say hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi, stream. Good morning. Kasi ko lang.
Okay. Sige, hindi ka na naka-speaker. Sige, sige. Bye! Sabihan mo ako, sabihan mo na lang ako. Yeah, I'm not sure if she can come because she's got a headache now. Let's see. Pag-good night na kami, Jamie. Ala, pag-good night na kayo. Kaka-start ko pa lang. Hi, Mi. Hi, Mi. Patulog na pala ang mga lalabs. Kaya naman pala. Patulog na pala sila. Kaya hindi nagko-comment. Kaya sino matutulog? Hindi gabi na kasi sa kanya. Good morning pa. Bakit ganun? Bye-bye! Thank you so much for stopping by. Walang Chabo Mosh Blade Lemon na talaga. Got it. I got the message. Weekend ngayon, walang matutulog. Kung ano? Ako na bahala mag-interpret ng kung anong message ang pinaparating nyo. Good luck. Anyway. Bakit kasi may essay? Over. My heart's telling me to say hello. You try me to get us back. Tell me if you want, can we do it? Lahat? Oh, hindi sila nagko-comment. Andun sila, yeah. It's okay. I got the message. Kasi before because ano ulit yung adverb? Wait, I forgot. Thank you, Kia Stone, for the hearty. Pinagdagan ko na to kahapon. bagal. When radiologists are now reading the scans of a patient. Tagal. Ang tagal, as in, ang tagal. Lagi ko pinapanood o palike mo call. Thank you. Thank you, Rita, for the finger heart. Thank you. Joke lang pala, tapusan ko muna song. Anong song ito? Let's go ba? Yung bagal! Hindi siya naglo-load. Look, I'm gonna show you proof. It's not working. No, smart. Ano yung provided dito eh? Sure, baby. Oh, eto na siya. Wait. Oh, di ba? Ako nagkabit niyan. Ang bagal, hanggang ngayon di pa siya tapos. Dahil ba ito? Tanyo, kanina. Ayaw. Ayan na, first hand yun nakikita yung bagal ng... Ay, go! Kaya dito nakadata ako. Eto, hindi. Wow! Thank you, Piason. Mama Penny here? Mama Penny, I don't have internet. Is she here? Really? Tagal. If you want it, then just let me know. Ituloy mo sagutan. Tagal. Fame went back. Kapon happy June. Hello guys. Wala ang tagal. Ayun na. Finally. After 127 years. Carefully. Carefully. Carefully is ang mana. First racing furthermore is conductive kasi explain ba kung bakit? Yes. Medyo bad trip na ako sa internet. Kasi kanina pa dapat ako nakalive eh. Mga 7. No need to hesitate. I know your mind, I know your mind. There's no need to be afraid. Nothing that I can take it. Trouble, just what you to say. Paano yan, dalawa? Thank you, JYNL and AI. Thank you for the heart and for the rose. Thank you. Thank you, Ayan, for the heart. Thank you, Julius, for the love you so much. Thank you. No, ayoko ng shape. Sorry. Ayoko din. Bakit? Wait lang, I wanna know, bakit ka nag-ship na mga MPL? Can I ask you why? Why gusto mo? Why gusto mo, Julius? Because? Bakit kami bagay? Bakit kami bagay? Siyempre, I wanna know. Bakit kami meant to be? Bakit? Why is that? Bakit kami pinagtagpo? Gusto ko malaman. Hindi mo sinasagot yung tanong ko, Julius. Pinapatanong agad, Dabs. Dapat sagutin mo ko kasi lagi mo sinasabi, siniship mo ako sa mga gamers. Hindi lang ako, pati ibang members. I wanna know. Siyempre may reason yan. Kasi single ka pa, kaya di ka, daw? Ayoko magka-BS. That's why wala akong boyfriend. Inuuna ko ang career. Most likely sila rin. But I don't know. I don't know about their love life. I'm sorry. I'm not updated. But like, thank you, PJ, for your awesome. I don't even know. Malala na yan, Julius. Thank you, PJ, for your awesome. Okay. Oh, yes. Kinikilig ako sa sarili ko kasi ang grabe naman. Na rinereto mo ako sa hindi ko kilala. I mean, personally. Sa person na hindi ko kilala personally. Bye bye. Thank you, PJ. Yeah. Kakaship ko si Cole kay Cole. Tama! Do you have a pet? I don't have a pet, but my sibling, my younger sibling has one. Pomeranian. No, hopefully soon. We're still trying. I mean, our schedules right now is promoting more on Love Letter than. Bye, Julius. See you ulit next live. Thanks for visiting, Julius. Every day when I leave, wanna bring you with me. Ayoko nang ganon. Ship nyo ako sa ka-member ko, kay Fame, kay Jamie, kay Ate Andy. Okay, go. Pero sa ibang tao, tapos may career din. And they probably don't know me, and I probably don't know them personally either. That's not nice. Okay lang kung for fun, pero if you're really pushing it, that's different. Ah, mali. Hello. Happy 50k guys. Thank you. Ship kita sa ibang bansa. Yun, matutuwa pa ako, di ba, Ethan? Pag sinip ako sa ibang bansa, okay pa. Sige lang. KKT or KLP? Quad lips. Saan? Naghahanap to ng PB. Hindi po. Hindi po. Actually, may mga questions din pala ako na hard questions na hindi ko nasagot sa live ko yesterday. But, sinako ko siya. Ba't di mo sinako siya? Hindi. Yun nga, it's all fun and games din until it's too much. Ano yun? Hindi rin naman PBA player hanap ko or whatever. It's not that... It's just not right now. You know? Yoko. What do you want to call? Yoko. Yung mga ganon. Kasi funny yun eh. Funny yun. Yan, tapos, after that, tapos na. Yun na yun, di ba? Okay lang mag-admire. Okay lang. Wala namang problem nun. Kasi that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to inspire. I'm trying to... This is my passion, kumbaga. Tara, ML na mamaya. ML tayo later. Tapos yung house. Oo nga, mamaya-maya. Inabit. Papunta na. Dilipat tayo ng game. Sana, okay yung internet. Kasi if not, hindi tayo matutuloy. Ang cute ni Nylong. Ilabas yung inis sa ML. Son, you're welcome. Ang lakas mong asal ni Dubs ni. Ilabas yung inis sa ML. True. Yes, I agree. Thank you so much, Kaiser. How to manage anger issues? I've been bullied in the KLP48 Discord. Eh? Why? What happened? Are you okay? Wala yung mga top gods eh. Busy. Highly addictive. Highly addictive. Highly respected. Tapos eloquently yung presentation. Presenter. Hello. Stop spamming. I got the message. Chill. Okay. Kinig-kinig lang kayo dyan, guys. But thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nagtatap hearts and talking to me tonight. So they're going to no, that's not. If you know that's not true, it's not bad to dream. Diba, BC? Hello! Hello, guys. Ito na, papunta na ako sa essay. Ay, nako. Thank you, Cuddle Bear, for the heart me. I hope you can meet Quadlix too. We hope we can meet you guys as well soon as possible. Because the previous guestings, we don't get to meet you guys too much. We just perform. Hopefully next time we can get to meet you for a longer time. I forgot. Quad Lip soon. You can check our official pages on Facebook or all our social media accounts so that we can meet us. You can see where you can meet us. What's your keyboard switch color? It's a gift po kasi wait. Hindi ko matanggal. White ata, gray. As far as I can remember. Ito baka masila. Ay, wag na tanggalin. Tanggalin na nga ni. Ako din na-curious ako eh. Kasi nakalimutan ko. Yung mga ganyang bagay dapat inaalam ko guys. Tapos ayaw niya magpatanggal no. White, gray, gray. Anong color ba yan? Gray, diba? Gray ba yan? White. Bawal kasi yung brand eh. Kasi mapagalitan ako. Pero regalo lang siya. Ng lalabs din. Okay. Nice, good for red. Papunta na ako sa essay. I'm gonna lock in a bit. Ito na. Yay! JKT48 come later. I'm not sure. Bakit ka mag-relive? Mag-relive ako so that I can transfer for gaming stream. Any solo mo? Sure for quarters kami kasi habang wala pagganap si MNL. Kakadating ko na ako over the world. Oh my gosh, I wish. Let's see. Alamin natin kung may solo mall show. And then, pero meron kami ganap. Bawal kasi sabihin pa kasi hindi pa siya confirmed. Pero, I will tell you once it's confirmed niya. And you guys, yun nga, sa social media accounts. And usually, sinasabi ko rin naman sa lives ko pag nadudulas ako. Kaya, yes, you know the drill. Mag-drill na tayo. And live na. Hina, TikTok live was. Okay, wait tayo guys. Thank you. Yes, mag-wait tayo. Abangan nyo na lang madulas si Koey. True. Pinapa-drill na tayo eh. Lipat na ba? Wait lang. Kasi sabi ko ata 10. Wait lang. Sorry, naging habit ko kasi yun. Kung naka-shirt. Ano ba yun? Pagdating na lang ni Jaime. Pagdating, hindi si Jaime yung darating. Let's see kung kaya humabol ni Jaime. Arigato. Tapos naman yung guest mo nga eh. Kaso tinatakasan ko kasi yung essay. Ayoko gawin yung essay. Reflective writing pala siya. Reflective writing. Madali lang yarn. It's just easy. Oh my gosh. Never mind. Hello. Hello, PJ. Magpa-play tayo later. Nagsabi si Ate Andy? Apa kabar? Aku, hari ini, hold on. Hari ini aku sedang siaran langsung mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah. Wait, that's hard. Study. Aku cinta kamu. Hari ini sedang belajar. See you again, hopefully. I wish to see you guys soon. Kapun ka! Kapun ka na, pilaki. Slaki. Kapun ka! No. It's translate. I translated it. Online. Hello. Hula-hula na lang. Hapon ka. What is your program now? Right now, I'm studying psychology. Tenisan uses English and still Bahasa Indonesia. Thank you for the love you so much. Kapon ka. Kapon mak na ka. I miss Thailand. Should I go back? Kapon ka. Overdrive and lipstick. Favorite? Your online study, yes. Thank you, Ralph, for the rose. Hello. Miss you too, na. I miss Thailand. I should have went with him. Hello. Thank you. How are you learning help? Well, I love to read. And for me, reading is easier. Overdrive or overthink? Overthink talaga malala. Joke lang. Ano yun? Nakalimutan ko tuloy na-explain ko. No. I love reading. I love learning through reading, so I love to learn about anything and everything. That's why it's easier for me doing online classes. But I know that for some, it's easier that it's discussed in a more layman's terms and in sentences that's easier to understand, and I get it also. It would be easier if somebody actually taught me, but wala, ganito talaga. Pero masaya naman siya for me. It's not for everyone though. Try to name one JKT48 member other than Fenny. Fioni-san, Kak Christy, Kak Gracia. A lot. Kak Ellie, Kak... Oh my gosh, I miss JKT48 also. So, MNL naman. Yes, it's already hard in school. Professor teaching us personally. I feel like, yeah. It's different. It's different for everyone. Hello! Freya, yes, Freya. Freya-sang also. Hello! Keep it up, Mom. Good luck in your journey. Thank you, Chin. Take care, take care. Sinyaw ng spato'y sobra ang init. Parang nasa toaster ang nadarama. Todo pinasabay. Adjust lang kung lakas. Di mapigil tulo na pagkas ko. Sobrang haba ng summer holiday. At mukhang di na tayo magkikita. Sunutin ko kaya nasa... What if bukas na? What if bukas na namin yung essay? Lalaki, ang namin ay nag-iinit like summer panila. Ang ating langit. Oh my pumpkin, nandun ka pala. Ang aking pampakin. Never ever thought that I would find you swimming there. As if a summer day that suddenly appeared. I was stuck and my eyes were open wide. Oh my pumpkin, my special someone. Please take a look at me. Disproportionately. You can do. Ayoko na, bukas na lang to. Mahaba pala to. My favorite OPM song. Yes, I know Shani song. Favorite OPM song right now? Madami. Puro ko Yeng, Constantino, mga Pichi Nadal, Eraserhead, you name it. Ba't gagawin na yun kung may bukas naman? Real, 16 pa naman yung deadline nito. Ba't di na lang gawin sa 16? Tsak lang. Hindi tayo magka-cram, guys. Hello! Hindi ko na mapigil at ako'y sumali rin. Siguro, hindi pa tatalo. I'm gonna end the live na, guys. I'm gonna transfer here on my PC na. See you later. Thank you for 73k hearts, guys. Thank you so much. Let's end the live na. I'm gonna be right back, okay? No, the drill muna. Later pa. Hindi pa to tapos. We're not done yet. We're not done yet, guys. We're not done yet. Bye-bye, today. See you later. See you later. Babalik ako. Mag-relive lang ako.
Well, walang lulukan. O sige, ito na. Gagawin na natin yung trend. I trend, the mannequin challenge trend for you guys. Wait, gusto ko River eh. Ay, isa pa. Kailangan may prep. Sige, no way man. No way man pala gusto nyo. Sige. Hi, Yoel. I will do the mannequin challenge.